Do you need an extra source of income? What if I'll tell you, there are many ways to earn passive income from online activities? Would you be interested? In this video, we'll show you the different ways to earn passive income online. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here's our list of ways for you to earn passive income online. One way of earning passive income is by selling ebooks. With the growing popularity of digital reading, more and more people are purchasing ebooks online, and wherever you are, there's no shortage of ebook buyers. To start selling ebooks, all you have to do is to write quality content that will appeal to your target audience, then you can publish and sell it on Amazon. The top 5 best-selling ebook categories on Amazon includes religion and spirituality, biographies and memoirs, business and money, self-help, and cookbooks, food, and wine. Next is graphics and artwork. Another way of earning passive income is by selling graphics, artwork, and photos online. If you're looking for a creative way to earn passive income, you can use your skills in producing graphics, images, and digital prints to earn passive income. You can sell your digital products on Etsy, deposit photos, and Getty Images. You can also set up your own online shop. Third is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an easy way to earn passive income, because it doesn't require much effort on your part. Once you've established yourself as an affiliate, all you need to do is promote your affiliate links and wait for the commissions to roll in. Some of the popular affiliate marketing programs in the Philippines that you can sign up with include Shopee, Lazada, Zalora, and involve Asia affiliate programs. Fourth is blogging. You can earn passive income by writing articles on topics that you're passionate about, and then post them on your website or blog. You earn money in having a blog by writing sponsored product reviews, selling advertising placements, joining an affiliate marketing program, offering services, selling digital and physical products, and creating a membership community, among others. Fifth is vlogging. Vlogging is similar to blogging, but instead of writing articles, you create videos. You can post your videos on YouTube or on other video sharing sites. A vlogger with a large following can earn a significant amount of money through video monetization, sponsorships, advertising, and merchandise sales. Aside from these 5 ways that we've mentioned, what other online activities can you share as good source of passive income? Please let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. We hope this video will help you decide which online activity you'd like to try to earn passive income. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll get notified when we have new content. See you soon!